Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardell and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. First of all, we'd just like to thank B&B Carpentry for letting us work on their vehicles. So today what we've installed in this particular Mercedes X-Class is a Thinkware front dash camera. It's a really nice solution, it's really discreet, hidden away behind the mirror, so from the driver's view you can't really see anything at all. This dash camera is not just for recording. What it does is also speed camera detection, but also comes with an application. You connect via Wi-Fi to your phone, and what that allows you to do is connect up, view all your footage live directly onto your phone. Really cool bit of kit, as well as it has cloud functionality as well. What we'll do, we'll put a link to Thinkware's website, and what you can do is go onto the website, you can go through all the tech specs of that particular camera system, or feel free to visit us. We've always got this camera system in our showroom. Feel free to get in contact with us, visit us, check it out, see it for yourself, see the quality of the product. Alternatively, you can go onto the website, see all the tech specs, or give us a call and we can run you through the advantages of this camera over some other ones as well. We've got a full price list available that if you get in contact with us, we can send over to you, which has a full install prices for these particular solutions. So it's just a little bit of a short video just to show you exactly what this particular system looks like on a Mercedes X-Class. We've actually installed one system onto a Nissan Navara as well for the same company. But if you're interested in something like this for you and your vehicle, feel free to get in touch. And if you're new to our channel, make sure you press the subscribe button by pressing the link below, just to keep up to date with all our latest videos. So thank you very much, and we look forward to upgrading you and your vehicle soon. Thank you.